Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to edit and adjust the Facebook budget settings here in the Ads Manager. Let's jump in and show you how to do it. First thing we want to do is navigate down to the campaign where we want to adjust the budget settings here in the Facebook Ads Manager. Once we have found the right campaign, underneath the campaign name, we want to look for the Edit button. And once we can see the Edit button, we want to click on it. You will now be navigated through to the campaign setup. And we can see up at the top here, we have got our budget settings. Currently, it is set at ad set budget level, which means that you set up the budgets at the ad set level rather than the overall campaign level. So this gives you some control and power to see which ads you think will work best and allocate an appropriate budget out to each ad set. So if we go into the ad sets now, we can currently see that the budget and schedule for this particular ad set is $20 a day. However, if you want to change that amount, we simply just need to click on the budget area, which is currently entered in, and we can select a new budget amount that we want the ad set to run on. Now, once that has been done, just click away from that and you will then be given the chance to publish that campaign with the new budget level. However, in this example, we're not going to do that one. We're going to take you back to the campaign setup level, and we're going to show you what you can do if you just want to trust the Facebook algorithm to find the winning ads for your overall campaign. So if we click into the edit button again and we scroll until we find the campaign setup and go to budget strategy, if we want to move the overall budget back to campaign level, we simply want to hover our mouse over the empty circle and click on it until it highlights into blue, and it will bring up the pop-up for Turn on Advantage Plus campaign budget. We want to select Publish. And what this is going to do is it's going to shift the budget from ad set level through to the campaign level. So it means that all of the different ad sets that you have running now, Facebook is going to start identifying which ones are going to likely get the best response using its algorithm knowledge and history on your account. And in that way, you don't have to do the guesswork. The Facebook algorithm will find a winner for you over time. And that's a quick overview on changing the Facebook ad budget settings here in the Facebook Ads Manager. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button down below. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and tips just like this one. Have a fantastic day, everybody.